Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate destination for all things automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. If you're passionate about understanding the inner workings of your vehicle and keeping it in top-notch condition, you're in the right place. From in-depth reviews to step-by-step tutorials, we've got it all covered. Before we dive into today's video, make sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you find our content helpful, consider giving us a super thanks to support the channel. Your support helps us bring you more amazing content. Let's get started. Using VH24, VH29, and VH30 EEPROM adapters with the Xhorse Multi Prog involves a few steps to switch the adapters and ensure proper operation. Here's a detailed guide on how to do it. Steps to use VH24, VH29, VH30 EEPROM adapters with Xhorse Multi Prog. 1. Remove the magnetic shield of the Multi Prog. Carefully remove the magnetic shield from the Multi Prog device to access the internal components. 2. Remove VH13 adapter, default. Unscrew the 4 screws securing the VH13 adapter. Gently pull out the VH13 adapter by grasping it from the pins and pulling up. 3. Insert a new adapter, VH24, VH29, or VH30. Take the new adapter, e.g., VH24, VH29, or VH30. Ensure the correct orientation. The new board should be positioned in the upper left corner when viewed from the front. Carefully insert the new adapter into the slot, ensuring it is firmly connected. 4. Reconnect and power up. Connect the power adapter to the multi-prog device. Turn on the device to power it up. 5. Select and read/write chip. Use the software interface to select the desired chip. Follow the on-screen instructions to read or write the chip with the multi-prog device. 6. Verify operation. Verify that the chip has been read and or written successfully using the software interface. 7. Remove the adapter board. Once the operation is complete, carefully remove the adapter board. If you need to use another adapter, VH29, VH30, repeat the steps above with the new adapter. 8. Reinstall VH13 adapter. Once finished with the EEPROM operations, remember to reinstall the VH13 adapter back into the multi-prog device. Secure it with the 4 screws previously removed. Tips for using EEPROM adapters with Xhorse Multi Prog. Handle with care. When removing and inserting adapters, handle the pins and connectors with care to avoid damage. Check connections. Ensure all connections are secure before powering on the device. Follow software instructions. Use the software interface provided by Xhorse Multi Prog to ensure proper chip selection and operation. Documentation. Refer to the user manual for any specific instructions related to the particular EEPROM adapter and chip type you are working with. By following these steps, you can effectively use the VH24, VH29, and VH30 EEPROM adapters with the Xhorse Multi Prog to read and write EEPROM chips. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know your thoughts or any questions you might have. Your support means the world to me and helps keep this channel going. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and share this video with fellow automobile enthusiasts. And if you really enjoyed the content, consider clicking on the super thanks button to show your support. Together, we can make the world of car diagnostics and programming a bit easier for everyone. Until next time, take care and happy diagnosing.